So, to all the companies that are into engineering activities, whether it is machine tools or engineering workshops, the first and major thing that comes into mind is the storing and the racking of their particular specific tools. And there it is Sri Saravana Fabs that is going to make the ultimate difference for all the engineering companies, or the racking solutions and the storage systems will come into play. Saravana Kumar is all there with us, and let us try to ask him and understand what is this company Dynamics is all about, and let us see how it's going to make a difference to the industrial industry. Hi sir.
Hello.
To all the viewers of Yashodhara TV, let us say hi.
Hi, hello.
Sir, tell me, what is your company is all about into?
We are into racking systems and
sir.
storage systems.
Yes, sir.
And we make tool trolleys. So here in a normal industry or small size industries where they will search the tools for a long time. They don't know where it is. And it's a big headache for all the small scale industries.
Okay.
So we want to make a change from that, and we have a lot of storage systems.
Okay. You want to add a new what you call facility for the working environment, right working environment.
Yeah.
Sir, Mr. Saravanan sir, there are so many patterns of your fabrication activities that you've been doing it. How long has this industry been running for?
More than 20 years.
More than 20 years. So for the past 20 years you've been in the same industry. Sir, how is that, means has there any specific hallmark achievements about your client base?
Yeah, we have been supplying to different varieties of industries, maybe the engineering industry or the electrical and electronics, or to the oil and gas or the pharmaceutical industries. Wherever we supply, all the customers get satisfied and we get the repeated orders.
So that is what is Sri Saravana Fabs is all about. So I congratulate you much in advance, sir. Sir, let me tell you one important thing. Is there any what you call government certifications or the certificates that you company has won in the recent past?
We have two verticals. One is the fabrication unit and another is manufacturing of the tool trolleys and the storage systems. We supply to defense equipment, lot of fabricated items.
Okay.
So we have the ISO certified company.
That is what I say. It is an ISO certified company. Sir, Mr. Saravanan sir, we would love to have a navigation tour or the exploration of different variants of modular that your company is also specialized into. Individual, can you explain the quality base and everything in detail so that the clients who are watching this channel or this video would love to have a come in contact with you?
Definitely.
Shall we do that?
Yeah.
So come on friends, let's do the touring of it.
Well, this is the new model what we have developed. It's a 24 drawer trolley where we can store up to 300 varieties of items. This we can place the small components in this drawer, and load bearing capacity of this drawer is around 20 to 25 kgs we can store in a single drawer. These are different models where you can store, we can change according to our requirements, the sizes of the component according to the size of the component. Simple, easy to operate also. And all the 8 drawers can be locked in a single lock on the top side. Okay. And it is a movable trolley where you can move to the assembly areas wherever you want to keep your tool fasteners or tools like that and do the assembly. You can move it, or if you want to fix it also, you can fix it. And we have a lock for the caster wheel in the, so when you lock this, the trolley will not move. And the other model is a 7 drawer trolley. This we have different varieties of partitions to keep the tools or the fasteners or small components. And we have these 3 small drawer heights, and another it's a bigger drawer, and it's much bigger than the other two. And this small workbench where we can do small assemblies and everything we can do. It's a pine wood on the top, and we have the cupboards with the locking systems. And we have 5 drawers on this to keep the tools and all the required equipments to do the assembly. And we have here the assembly table where we can keep all the spanners like that according to the adjustment wherever we need it. We can change this holder also. It's made of stainless steel. So when the assembly comes is bigger, then we have to keep all the tools on the top side. So the adjustment is provided on the perforated sheet area, and we have been providing facility also. So this is a pine wood top, and we have 5 drawers. Each drawer is have a separate locks, and we have a cupboard on the left hand side. So you can keep all the files and everything on the left hand side. And the drawer you can keep the assembly materials whatever you need on the drawers. And we provided the air gun and the lighting system also. So it's a complete assembly kit. And here we have the machine tool holders. It's a A-type model where we can store up to 80 to 100 numbers of open type of tool holders, VMC or HMC tool holders, maybe BT40, BT30 or BT50 HMC for the machine tool holders. And we have the racking systems where we can store up to 1 ton in a single shelf. And this is a modular type where you can do the adjustments on the side according to your finished product or the incoming material whatever you get. You can adjust according to the requirements. And it is a modular type where wherever you want to shift it, it is a matter of 15 to 20 minutes. You can disassemble and move to the required area. And each shelf has a load bearing capacity of 1 ton, and this we can store up to 5 tons in this model. And another model what we have is the VMC or HMC tool holders. It's in a bureau cupboard type where the safety of the tools is very much needed, where the micro boring bars will cost around more than a lakh. So the safety is much more priority. So we have the closed type in structure where we can store up to 100 tool holders of BT40 variety. As to have the identification will be very much easier where the tools are kept, so that the operator knows and take it from the bureau. And we provide we can provide the marking also what for which machine or what tools you are going to keep on the trays. This is the bin trolley model where you can keep the bin from bin 10 to 25 like that. It's a movable type. We have all bin 10, bin 15, bin 20, 25 models, and around 90 variety of bins can be stored in this trolley. And it's used for assembly where the electrical and electronic industry or the mechanical or the automobile industry, or for all the industries where the small components can be kept in this trolley in the bin and moved to the assembly location. And this is a new model what we have developed for this exhibition, the modular type of working bench. We can sit and do the assembly in this bench. It comes with the steel on the top. You can put the rubber mat, or if you want the steel or if you want the wood, we can provide it. And it is this is also a modular one where you can deassemble and assemble it at wherever the location you need. And it comes in a packed kit where you can do assembly at the factory. These are with the drawers are locked centrally. We have 4 drawers and bins on the tray and some small bins on there. And we provide the fastener, provide the spanners, the clip for the spanners and everything. So it's very useful for the assembly persons to have sit and do the work there. And this is a small version of the transport service trolley where you can keep up to 25 kgs of material on each tray and move it to the area where you require. It's for the small scale industries where we have to unload the material from the auto or from the vehicle and move to the machine area or to the storeroom. So it's a very compact trolley. From there I'll load it and do the unloading, and there is no need for the operator to be fatigued by during the handling. So all these products for a small scale industry where the tools we don't know where we kept, and we always search for the tools where it is, and time we lost in searching for the tools is very high, and the productivity is also getting lost due to the tool. So when we go for this storage system or the racking system like this, where we know where we have kept our tools and where it is, and operator can easily go and identify and take the tools and work in a very happy manner, and the production time is getting increased. Thank you. Forget your tools. Please keep Sri Saravana Fabs in your mind. And I am Saravana Kumar. We are from Coimbatore, and we are happy to showcase our products. Thanks you, and please contact us on 98431-26270, and our email address is ssfabs@gmail.com. Thank you.